In the previous lecture, we learned about tables. In this lecture, we're going to learn about web lists. Web lists or HTML lists are literally the same as our daily list we always plan. Lists are basically everywhere on the web. You name any site and I promise you they will have them. So I'm going to cover two types, unordered and ordered list. So the first one is going to be an ordered list. In an unordered list, the items doesn't matter if it's in order or not. So first I'm going to define a heading 2 tag. This is just to organize our web list items or elements. So I'm going to say unordered list. Okay. Now, to define an unordered list tag, you type the U and L. There you go, just like this. Now, let's type second item, and right underneath we're gonna say third item, and the last one is gonna be first item. Okay, I'm showing you this way because you would normally write it this way in a piece of paper. Is that correct? Yes, we would do it this way, but this is not the right way. If we save it and go to the browser to check the results, you're gonna see it this way, which is not the right way. In order to have a common list, we have to wrap each item in a list item or li element, and we do it this way, li, just like this. Okay, now this is the right way to define a list or a web list. Now let's save it and check it out. Now the first thing you see is a bullet on the left, right, on each item, and this is the way to define an ordered list. Next, we're gonna define order list, and I'm gonna write type again H2 heading 2 and type ordered list. Okay, to define an order list is gonna be OL. Okay, so define the OL tag or order list, and then within the OL tag, we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, list item tag, and I'm gonna say first item. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna copy and paste it in twice, and I'm just gonna change first to second, and this one third. Okay, save it, refresh the browser, and there you have it. You can see that in an order list, all the items are numbered. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to learn about block level and inline elements.